Okay, here it is, January 6th. The heat is off, but I've battened down the hatches in the living room, got blankets hung up, so we're just heating this one room. I got Sparrow on the couch licking everybody's heads that she can find. I got little baby foster girl Lulamoon. And there's got a heater there, so we got a little pad for them to sleep there, pad for them to sleep there, because it heats on both sides. And then I got this heater here, and there's Miley on the little rug, and then this big beauty here, and this is Tex. He's a foster. Yeah, hi Tex. He's a brother to that pretty black baby girl over there. And the only one that's not in here is Annette. And I don't know where she is. Huh. Oh, wait, that's her laying up there. Okay, yeah, everybody's in here. Everybody's been accounted for. Happy winter. There's an ice storm, snowstorm outside, so it's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.